So the skills which are required for making the digital transformation happen is first place curiosity. You have to be curious to find out what is the cause and onset and the reasons for onset of diseases. You have to be curious to find out why a certain disease type actually develops and how it develops. But of course you need to have certain specialized skills underneath, and this should be at best a combination of digital skills which you learn in the computer science community and combined with expertise in pharma, for example in the natural science or biomedical science. And if you bring those two areas together in one person, one brain, I think you can make the digital transformation happen.